Hi! So for today's video, I'm gonna share with you my unboxing of Norted Journal's anniversary bundle for their 7th year. So, ano bang meron sa bundle na to? So again, it's the 7th year of Noted Journal. Happy anniversary! Not all businesses reach their 7th year, ha? So, mauna yan. I ordered this last week of May. And kakarating niya lang. So, I'll show with you ano yung laman ng ating package for today. So this was shipped via Google Express. Simulan natin. So we have yung thank you card. Lagi yan, there's always a personalized note from V, who's the owner of Noted Journal PH. And you can follow their social medias. They're available in Instagram, Facebook. They also have a YouTube channel. They also have their own website. I think that's Telegram. So there. And then, ta-da! Sobrang na-appreciate ko to. Kasi I ordered this for my upcoming birthday. So, ayan siya. So, the bundle is available in different colors. Merong navy canvas, merong pine green canvas, merong khaki brown na corduroy, cream corduroy, and black na canvas. What I ordered is yung pine green because green is my favorite color. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mga inclusion. So, yung first one, ito, I think this is actually one of the freebies. Pero open na natin. Yung pa talaga yung una ko nabuksan. Ayan. Ah, it's a nice tote bag. Laki. Para siyang onigiri, yung size or yung shape niya. Meron siyang ganito to keep yung contents ng bag mo secured. Malaki siya for a canvas bag. Tapos, ayan o, made in the Philippines. Kaya, I love supporting tong shop na to ever since I discovered them. And normally, yung mga binibili ko nga is yung mga anniversary bundle. So, that's one. Sana mabalik natin. Lagay na natin yun dyan. So, that's one of the freebies. May mga surprise freebies kasi. One of the items na kasama ng bundle is ito. Very cute. Kita nyo yan. It's in clean. Pwede mo isukbit sa bag. Ayan. Medyo malaki. Coin purse. Meron ba siyang ganitong pocket? So, tama nga ako. It's a coin purse. Ah, diba? Very, very heavy into branding. So, that's one. Ito is a pen case. So, merong ganyang stitching. And then, we have this. So if you're on the go, you can put your favorite pens, your highlighters, or journaling tools, especially if you like journaling or crafting outside your home. Tingnan natin yung next. Ganda siya. Ayan. So what is this? This is what they call yung stationery pouch. Ayan. It's in black. May handle siya. Ayan. May pocket here. Yung zippers. Open natin. May pocket dito. You can put a lot of stuff. So you can put siguro a notebook, some tools. Ayan. As part of your everyday care. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, it's their 7th year. And this is first time naglabas sila ng mga ganitong items. Pero normally kasi it's stationery items like stickers, pens, ganun. But now, it has what you can use, not just limited to journaling. Ayan. Gusto nga natin itong malaki. So, this is a dust bag drawstring. Oh, diba? Ganda. The noted tote. Cute. Pwede ilagay ng bigger notebooks, I think. Medyo malaki. Remove na natin. Siyempre, ito yung pang main event. And, dalawa pa siya. So, this is the noted tote vertical. Yan, as you can see, ayan yung inclusion ng the noted tote. Yung pinakita ko kanina na dust bag, and then here comes the vertical tote bag, and then ito pa siya. Tada! Ayan. This bag, ano kalaki? Ito yung mesa ko. So this is 15 yung height, length is 12, and then width is 5. So, ayan. So, platen here. Feeling ko may strap sa loob. Check natin. Yung naman, oo nga, meron. So, ito yung strap. Pero, hindi connect. May zipper. I think it's important pag bag na may zipper. Ayan. Ayan. Dito. So, either pwede kong i-attach ito with this, or pwede ko rin i-attach yung pouch natin. Ito si pouch, I think. Or somewhere else siya dapat i-attach. Ayan. Kita ba yung loob? Ayan. May padding dito. So, I think pwede malagay yung laptop mo or gadgets here. Though the other side, hindi masyado. So, if medyo OC tayo on our gadgets, you can still keep it in your original pouch or lalagyan and then put it in your bag. Ayan siya. Pwedeng sukbitan ng may garterize. I'm not sure kung kita yan. May garterize section siya dito. Pwede lagayin ng payong or bottled water. rare tumbler. Ganyan siya. Malaki na bag. I'm excited to use this for tomorrow. Dahil may gala ang inyong lola. Meeting with her crafter friends. Ayun. Ganda. Green. Super happy yung green heart ko with this one. Ayan. Matchy-matchy. O, diba? I'm trying to change the things that I have and trying to acquire more that are greens naman. Ito na siya. I think ito na yung last item natin. So, ito perfect to. Sukbitan ng mga pens. Yung may mga clips. Ayan. Dalawa yan sa labas. Ayan. Ito pwede mo sukbit. Doon sa loob din. I think, if I'm getting it correctly. Doon siya para. Ayan. Muna natin sukbit. One zipper. And then, okay, nasa loob. Kailan natin labas natin yung mga laman. So, ito. Meron tayong A5 na thin na dotted notebook. Bala natin. Of course, branding. Dotted nga. Kita ba? Ayan. Dotted siya. And then, ito, on this packaging, it's yung Paper Lover Sticker Flakes na matte. Designed by them. At ito yung laman. Cute! Yellow and blue. And then, meron ding 5 sheets na sticker sets. Ito yun. Ito, again, is a freebie. Wow! Thank you so much, V. Open natin yung sticker set. Siyempre, na-curious tayo. If you're at this point and still watching this video, maraming salamat. I just want to make sure I showcase itong anniversary bundle ng Noted Journal. Again nga, I've been a fan. I like their products talaga. Ayan. Especially nung naglabas ng ganito. Because, ano nga ba ito? This is a grid notebook. This one is yung traveler size. Meron ako nung smaller that I use, which is kasing size ng Kobo Weeks. What I love about it is it's fountain pen friendly. The papers are made of wood-free cream paper. Ayan. Mapagalitan tayo ng mga experts. And ayan yung laman niya. I think this is a better size. Bigger size. Ayan. O, diba? Dagdag natin sa ating pang commonplace book. So, there you have it. Ano yung mga freebies natin? We have the onigiri looking tote bag. This one. And then, we had this sticker. Meron pang isa eh. Wait lang. I think I forgot to show something. Ayun. Sorry. And, pen sleeve na leather. Ito magmamatch siya dun sa cover ko ng notebook that I ordered before. So, perfect din. And, maraming salamat for preparing this. Pero, again, what I appreciate the most is etong birthday note. Maraming salamat. I hope your business would last for more years. And looking forward to new products from Noted Journal. So, ayan. Again, if you want to buy this, if you want to avail of the anniversary bundle, it's still available on the website. Yung presyo kayang-kaya, for sure. With all this, sobrang sulit yung binayad ko. As in. So, check them out. Ayan po yung details. Ayan. Again, maraming salamat, Noted Journal. Happy 7th anniversary, and to all my viewers, thank you for watching. Bye!